Showcase. Fleer Showcase. That's Fleer Showcase. What do we have right there? Oh, that is Patrick Laney. So, 1965. Double box break. Here we are. So, double means we got 2 boxes. Sorry. I'm going to start with this box. So that was my cell phone. I don't know what's happening right now. 18 packs. 1 per pack. We're supposed to get 1 autograph per box, but sometimes there's more. Thanks to Upper Deck. We're making a start with the University of Chicago, Patrick King. Pack number 2, Red Wolf, Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin. Third pack of Fire Showcase rookie Arizona Coyotes, Lawson Krause. Next, Fire Showcase for the New York Rangers, Mark Messier. Pack number 5, Red Bull, Minnesota Wild, ranked shooter. Metal Universe Montreal, Carey Price. Next we have Ultra 92-93, number 21 of 25. Brent Gilchrist for the Edmonton Oilers. Brent Gilchrist for Edmonton. Nice retro color. Next, we have Holy Game. Odd Prospect Autograph White Odd. Number 15 out of 15 for the Ottawa Senators. Thomas Chabot. Nice hit for Ottawa. I like Fleer Showcase. Some nice hits, nice insert. There's one of those. So, White Odd Autograph of Thomas Chabot out of 15. Nice hit. Next, we have Fleer Ultra Rookie out of 599. Winnipeg Jets, Brendan Tanev. Flat Metal New York Islanders, John Tavares. Next, Fleer Showcase Rookie, Winnipeg Jets, Kyle Connor. Okay, so we get 2 hits. First is a Red Bull, New Jersey Devil, Corey Schneider. And with the Odd Prospect Autograph of $4.99 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Kasperi Kapanen. So there you go, guys, 2 autographs. Nice box. And there's 2 6-packs left. Metal Universe for the Flyers, Ivan Provorov. Next, we have Fleer Showcase, Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Hot Prospect 1 out of 399. So we got William Carey, Daniel Catanassi, Marcus Petula, and Lucas Sidlak. So Buffalo, Columbus. This will be random. And we'll do a random at the end of the break. So as you guys can see, Buffalo, Columbus. This will be random number 1. You guys know I love those randoms. Next, we have the Scoring Kings for the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Middle Universe for the Toronto Maple Leafs, William Nylander. And last pack of boxing number 1. What do we have? EX for the Flyers, Ivan Provorov. So that was box number 1. That was a really good box. Honestly, really nice box. Let's do box number 2. Get those nice hits out. And let's start box number 2. Pack 1. And we start with a Metal Universe Boston Bruins, Brendan Carlo. Pack 2. Regular St. Louis Blues, Robbie Fabry. Flair Showcase, LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. Flair Showcase, Rookie, Toronto Maple Leafs, William Nylander. Red Bull, Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Next, Metal Universe Montreal, Artturi Lehkonen. What do we have? We have an EX Red. What's the numbering on that one? So that's 26 out of 35. It goes to the Washington Capitals. Alexander Ovechkin. 26 out of 35. Alex Ovechkin EX Red. Next pack, we have the Out Prospect Autograph of 49, New Jersey Devil, John Cranwell. Next, Skybox Premier, Skybox Prospect, Royal Class 49, Arizona Coyotes, Anthony DeAngelo. Skybox Prospect, not Premier, it's Skybox Prospect. Anthony DeAngelo out of 499. Next, we have Planet Metal from Montreal, Shea Weber. Big Shea Weber. Next, we have a Photo Showcase Rookie, Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. Regular for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nazem Kadri. Metal Universe St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Flair Showcase Rookie, Tampa Bay Lightning, Braden Point. Alright, Oscar Prospect Rookie out of 399 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Gustav Forsling. Next pack, Scoring Kings, St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Metal Universe, Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. And let's do the last pack. I'm pretty sure it's the EX Green, the regular one. It is EX, not numbered, for the New York Islanders, John Tavares. So that was another great box. And even better in box number 1, because there wasn't any random. So, random number 1, and it's the only one I have to do for that break. We have Buffalo 2 times and Columbus also twice. Let's do this. Good luck. Buffalo and... Whoa, light is on. Alright, Columbus, Buffalo. Here we are. And the last one. And winner is the Columbus Blue Jackets. Alright, so that is it for Flair Showcase. I will be right back in 4 minutes with our single box break of Ultimate. Thanks, guys.